can you create exceptional marketing videos that leave a lasting impression? It can be tricky, but don't worry, this video is the ultimate guide for video marketing. I'll cover everything from understanding your audience's needs, choosing the right video type, setting goals, and leveraging technology. By following these strategies and equipping yourself with the necessary tools, you'll be well on your way to creating impactful videos for your brand's marketing purposes. So let's jump right in. In this day and age, it's easier than ever to make marketing videos. The market for video has increased, while the cost of video production has decreased, making now the time to dive into creating videos for your brand. Here's everything you need to know before you get started. Crafting a captivating story is essential for the success of a marketing video. To create a narrative that truly leaves a mark, it's crucial to start with a crystal clear message that resonates with your audience. By keeping your message concise, compelling, and focused on fulfilling your audience's needs and desires, you can create a connection that captures their attention and engages them on a deeper level. A captivating story should evoke emotions, spark curiosity, and leave a lasting impression, ultimately driving your audience to take action. By understanding your audience's motivations and crafting a narrative that aligns with their values and aspirations, you can create marketing videos that are not only memorable, but also impactful in helping you achieve your marketing goals. Start by looking at the videos that other brands in your niche are creating. What are they doing well? Where can they improve? Use those insights to help craft a story for your brand that's better. If you're a business, you've done your research on your audience and you should know them inside and out. Different audiences have varying preferences when it comes to the type of content they want to see. If you're looking to quickly engage your audience, advertisements can be highly effective. On the other hand, if your goal is to educate your audience, explainer videos and tutorials are excellent choices. When it comes to building trust and credibility, testimonials are pure gold, showcasing the positive experiences of your satisfied customers. It's crucial to constantly ask yourself the question, what does my audience want to see? By tailoring your content to meet their expectations and desires, you can ensure that you're delivering the kind of content that will truly captivate their attention and leave that lasting impression. The more videos that you make, the more insight you'll get into what's working with your audience. Setting specific, measurable goals is crucial for the success of any marketing campaign. By defining your objectives at the beginning, like raising brand awareness, increasing engagement, or driving conversions, you provide a clear direction for your marketing efforts. These goals serve as a roadmap, guiding your strategies and tactics throughout the campaign. Specific and measurable goals allow you to track your progress and evaluate the effectiveness of your marketing initiatives. By regularly monitoring and analyzing the results, you can make informed decisions, refine your strategies, and optimize future marketing campaigns. Setting well-defined goals ensures that your marketing efforts are purposeful, targeted, and aligned with your overall marketing objectives. Planning is a crucial aspect of successful video marketing. One effective strategy is to create a content calendar that outlines the topics you'll cover that aligns with any key events or product launches. This allows you to strategically plan your video releases and ensure that your content is timely and relevant. Crafting a rough script in advance provides structure to your videos, helping you deliver a clear and concise message to your audience. Consistency is another factor in video marketing. Regularly uploading new content not only keeps your audience engaged, but also establishes your brand as a reliable source of valuable information. When viewers know that they can expect consistent updates from you, they're more likely to continue watching your videos. By implementing effective planning and maintaining consistency in your video marketing efforts, you can maximize the impact of your content and establish a strong digital presence. Now let's talk tech. How can you create these videos? Riverside is your gateway to high-quality video content. Riverside is an online recording studio designed to help you record high-quality audio and video over the web. You simply record your video content in the studio, and you can do this either solo or you can host others as well if you're filming something like testimonials. You'll have the option to select what equipment you'd like to use before you enter the studio. So this could be your built-in webcam and mic, or a high-quality external mic and camera. If you're inviting somebody to the recording, send them this link. When you're ready to record, press record. In the studio, you can even use the teleprompter feature to help you stay on track during the recording. Simply press script at the bottom, and when you hover over the script, you'll see this option for teleprompter. This will help make sure that your videos are concise and to the point. When you're done recording, end the recording. When the recording has uploaded, you'll have access to the high-quality recordings to download and edit externally, or you can use the Riverside editor to put your content together and brand it to fit your style. Now, crafting the perfect video is just half the battle. You need to showcase it on the right platforms. For YouTube, where in-depth content thrives, longer, detailed videos are ideal. On Instagram, a platform that thrives on brevity, keep it short and snappy to capture attention in an instant. Additionally, for TikTok, a platform known for its quick and entertaining content, create short and engaging videos that quickly capture the viewer's attention. And regardless of the platform, always include a crystal clear call to action. Guide your viewers. Subscribe, learn more, or visit our site. Your call to action is the bridge that transforms viewers into engaged users. The journey doesn't end with uploading your video. In fact, that's just the beginning. Dive deep into the numbers. Low views? Might be time to rethink your distribution strategy. Low engagement? Perhaps it's time to tweak your content to better align with your audience's interests. Use tools like Google Analytics or platform-specific insights to understand viewer behavior. Data alone doesn't provide the full picture, so it's important to use A/B testing to isolate what elements are working in your video marketing campaigns. Every video is a learning opportunity, so embrace its data, refine your strategies, and watch as your content marketing techniques evolve with every new video. The world of video marketing is vast, and now you have the knowledge to get started. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching this one. My name is Bridget, and I'll see you next time.